We do IT support, server, helpdesk, and managed IT services are all services that can be provided by companies in Vancouver and remote Toronto to help businesses manage and maintain their technology infrastructure. IT support can include troubleshooting and resolving technical issues with hardware and software, while server services can include hosting, maintenance, and management of servers. Helpdesk services can include providing technical support to users over the phone or via email, and managed IT services can include ongoing maintenance and management of a company's technology infrastructure. We do troubleshoot and resolve technical issues with their hardware and software. This can include issues such as computer crashes, network connectivity problems, and software bugs. IT support can be provided on-site or remotely, and can include both preventative maintenance and reactive troubleshooting. We do digital marketing and music marketing based in Canada and USA. There are several ways to generate streaming on Amazon for your album music. Optimize your album's metadata. Make sure your album's title, artist name, and other information is correct and consistent across all platforms. Utilize Amazon's built-in promotion tools. Amazon offers a variety of tools to help promote your music, such as pre-order campaigns and the ability to offer a free song with an album purchase. Utilize Amazon streaming services. Amazon offers a number of streaming services, such as Amazon Music Unlimited and Amazon Prime Music, that allow customers to stream your music. Leverage social media. Promote your album on social media platforms and encourage fans to stream your music on Amazon. Collaboration with other artists, labels, and playlist curators. Partner with influencers in the music industry who can help promote your album and generate streams on Amazon.